this video, we are going to create the payment for your sale page. Now, first of all, you need to click on this funnel settings right here. Click on that one and make sure you are using PayPal as your accepted payment method. If you are using Stripe, of course, you can choose that, then hit save. Now, make sure you are on the sale page, the order form page, okay? Then you will go to the step configuration. Then you need to scroll down. Now you need to click on digital products, okay? And you click on this plus button here, and you can choose the product name. In my case, I'm going to choose Facebook groups list. You can add anything that you like for the name, okay? And after that, you can just go to payment plan here. Click on this plus button. Now click on create a new one. The price plan name display on the order form, I still use the same. Basically, I just paid everything the same. And for the payment amount, I'm going to choose it $10 and hit save. Then save one more time. Okay, so to test your funnel, you can just go to view funnel step. And as you can see here, it already have my PayPal and this Facebook group list. And if I try to put in my information, order and get instant access, and it will go to PayPal. That means you already set it up successfully. When you want to change the price, you can go back here and click on this remove price, okay? Just remove this one, confirm, and you can add a new price anytime. Create a new one, just put in the name, everything just stay the same, and now you can put in the new amount. For example, in the future we might want to sell it at $19.99, for example, right? So just click on save and everything is good. But at the moment we are selling this list for $10, so just leave it at 10.